Good morning. Caillou, that was disrespectful.
But I like farting all day.
Next time, ask to step out of the hallway.
Man, this class is so boring. What should I do? I got an idea. I'm going to ask to use the restroom and pull the school's fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Oh, Miss Caroline, I need to go pee.
Okay, please hurry up.
Now, where's the fire alarm at? Ha! There it is. Now to pull it out. Great! Now let's leave.
Oh no, it's the fire alarm. Everyone, let's get out of here.
Teacher, I'm here. What's going on?
Thank God you're here. The fire alarm has been going off, so we must get out of here. Okay everyone, keep calm. Everything is going to be okay.
I checked the school. There's no fire in it, and I found the switch that was pulled down by someone.
Then we must call the police.
Good idea.
Hello, sir. I got a report of someone pulled a fire alarm.
Yes, I did. Let me lead you.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, I'll check the fingerprints, and I want all the students to line up so I can match the fingerprints together.
Okay, I'll do it.
Did he found who did it?
No, he said to line up all students in the hallway so that he can match the students' fingerprints.
Okay, I'll gather the students now.
You're first. Place your hand here.
Okay.
You're good. You can go back to class. Place your hand here. Go back to class. You're good. Place your hand here. You're free to go. Have a seat. Wait a minute. What's that look on your face? You're acting suspicious. Did you pull the fire alarm? No, it's not me. I came out of the restroom and saw it like that. Then place your hand here for proof. Come on, I don't got much time. I knew it. I knew something was off about you. Why did you pull a fire alarm in the first place? It's because I was getting bored of class. That's it, you're going to the principal's office.
Rawr. Caillou the fat idiot. I can't believe you pulled a fire alarm. That's it. You're suspended for a week. Go home now.
Rawr. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8 years. And with that, time for another whooping. No, please. I'm sorry. Bend down right now. How stupid are you, fatty? Stop it. Move those freaking hands. Wow.